We salute the hide and speak hero of the week.
This week's Hide and Speak Hero of the Week is an organization that didn't just fight surveillance overreach, they outsmarted it. This week, we honor Digital Fourth, also known as RT4. Long before anyone was talking about flock cameras in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Digital Fourth was already laying the groundwork for accountability. Back in 2018 and 2019, they teamed up with the ACLU to push for and help write the Cambridge Surveillance Oversight Ordinance. This law is simple but powerful. Police cannot buy or use surveillance technology without a public hearing and city council approval. Without that law, the police could have installed flock cameras in secret anytime they wanted. There would have been no hearings, no public debate, and no legal mechanisms to shut anything down later. Digital Fourth didn't just show up for the finale, they built the legal cage that made the finale possible. Fast forward to early 2025. The Cambridge Police Department quietly tried to roll out 16 flock license plate reading cameras. Digital Fourth launched a campaign with the name you can't forget. Let's stop Cambridge from getting flocked up. They mobilized residents. They educated the community about how flock shares data with federal agencies, including ICE. And because of that pressure, the city council voted unanimously in October 2025 to pause the program and deactivate all 16 cameras. That alone would have been a victory, but the story wasn't over. Even after the city ordered the camera shut off, Digital Fourth didn't relax. They stayed vigilant, and it's a good thing they did. In late November, while the city believed everything was deactivated, flock technicians reportedly installed 2 more cameras under an old work order that should have been canceled. Digital Fourth volunteers and local advocates helped verify that something was still happening on the ground. When the city confronted Flock, the company admitted the installations were unauthorized. That was the moment everything changed. On December 10th, 2025, the Cambridge city manager officially terminated the contract, citing a material breach of trust. And that breach only came to light because Digital Fourth kept watching the watchers. They provided the technical expertise, the legal backbone, and the community vigilance that the city itself wasn't providing fast enough. So today, we honor you, Digital Fourth, not just for winning the fight, but for proving that real oversight doesn't end with a vote. It takes persistence, it takes vigilance, it takes expertise, and it takes people who refuse to look away. Digital Fourth, you are our Hide and Speak Hero of the Week.
Hide and speak hero of the week.